Hey, this is Joe with H4H Remodeling and Repairs. We're doing a video here on a full house renovation we just completed. Come check out some of these features we got. We got this drought resistant landscaping. We got fresh paint inside and out. We got dual pane windows. Come inside and check out some of the features we got. We also have an upgraded electrical panel and a complete new HVAC system. Fresh paint throughout. Living room has can lights, painted fireplace. Come over here and look at these bedrooms, good sized bedrooms. There's another bedroom, a couple bedrooms down this way, a closet. And check out this completely renovated bathroom with the deep soaker tub, slab panel surround, 30-inch vanity, new fixtures. Go around this way and come check out the kitchen. Complete renovation in the kitchen, new appliances, new cabinets, new sink. We got some natural light coming in from the skylight. As you can tell, we got a light fixture on back order. Over this way, we have a renovation that was done about 20 years ago and converted this garage into a living space. So we have a huge family room and a master bedroom down this way. Come take a look. Big bedroom, fully renovated bathroom, new vanity, new light fixture, new shower, glass enclosure. And over this way we have the laundry room. So if you got a project and you want us to come check it out, come check us out on H4H Remodeling and Repairs.com.